the most fulfilling and rewarding part of this job is to watch the little children grow in their Judaism. Just look at them, speak to them, and you'll see how much they've grown, how much they've studied, how much joy and appreciation they have for being Jewish.
I go to PS 230. My greatest achievement in Juda Hebrew Academy is learning all the letters. I came here and I didn't know anything, and throughout the year I learned different letters every single week on Wednesdays, and now I know all of them.
Hi, my name is Jacqueline, and I go to PS 130. When I wake up, I'm excited to go to Judah. My favorite part is the tefillah.
My experience is really perfect. We learn like all the prayers every Wednesday. I already know like almost all the prayers now. And the Aleph Bet, I almost know it too. And the crafts were really good.
My name is Jacob and I go to PS 130. And my favorite part of Judah is making stuff and learning Hebrew. And I like when you play, and I like the notebooks.
My favorite part of Judah is when we learn all the songs and have special parties for holidays. Hi, my name is Leah. I love story time with Mara. Mara teaches so amazing with crafts and fun stuff. Hi, I'm Zoe. I go to PS 154. In the beginning of the year, I was scared to come here, but after like a few weeks and I got used to it, I felt really good here, and I really wanted to learn Hebrew. Yeah, I really gained a lot of courage to learn the alphabet and do a lot of stuff. My name is Matan. I go to PS 154. It's really fun. I get to learn the whole Hebrew alphabet. I get to learn the history.
And final.
I get to learn the forefathers. I get to learn everything. And it's a super fun learning experience. Mora teaches very well with a lot of details. The Parshiot and the holidays. The performances, and for everything she just teaches a lot. I love the Parsha story slideshows.
Goods that power likes to eat: bread, cake, and cookies. But birds were eating all of them.
I love the Chabad after-school program. My son looks forward to it. He's learning his Hebrew alphabet. He's made friends. It's a very inclusive space. We're in Brooklyn, so there's a lot of diversity, and that is always welcome here.
I think the one thing I'm really happy about is that she's really excited to come to Hebrew school every week. She loves coming. We now light the candles every Friday, and Zelda knows the blessings, and everyone, it's really just wonderful how much she learns and how excited she is to learn more. I mean, when we drive home after school, we call Zelda's grandfather and tell him about what she learned in Hebrew school. I remember I was really blown away, they were learning about Jonah and the whale, and she went, as we were driving home, she recounted to my dad the entire story of Jonah and the whale, from memory. And I was just really so happy.
I was looking for a Hebrew school for a long time, and I personally know Mushki and feel like she's a wonderful educator and role model for Judaism. So I was very happy to put my kids in her hands. I'm always very impressed how arts and crafty things get, which speaks to a child in the way that they learn. She really manages to deliver messages and to deliver Judaic lessons through art and through song and through music.
I never had to twist their arm to go to Hebrew school, which is wonderful. And they come home from Hebrew school with their art projects and enthusiastic stories. They all really love the school. It's wonderful to have them fall in love with Yiddishkeit thanks to the Juda Academy.
Some of the goals at Juda Hebrew are Hebrew reading skills, learning the tefillot, the prayers and songs, and learning about the Jewish holidays and heritage. The excitement when they walk in and they see what we're doing, the prepared tables and activities, and how proud they are when those parents come to pick them up to show them what they've learned, what they've experienced, and what they've made.
For the holidays, we did so many exciting things.
Rosh Hashanah, we did honey cake.
Hanukkah, we made menorahs.
My favorite was when we made hamantash. Passover, we made a Seder plate, and we actually used our Seder plate. Lag BaOmer, we made an edible craft. We took cupcakes and we built a bonfire.
At Juda Hebrew, it's all about a love for being Jewish, a love for Hashem and His Torah, and to know that they are part of something greater than just them. They are part of our nation, our people, and this amazing community.